Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Homeschool. This is Fatema Sabrin, Shikha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Today I am going to take English language class for the students of class 2 on the topic of chapter 16, the simple past tense irregular verbs. I am repeating, our today's topic is chapter 16, the simple past tense irregular verbs. Students, this is our 8th lecture and 7th SW. I am repeating, this is our 8th lecture and 7th SW. Students, for today's class, take your new Enjoying Grammar book, your notebook and writing elements. Students, in our earlier class, we have discussed about the simple past tense regular verbs, and today we will discuss about the simple past tense irregular verbs. Students, look, we know that the simple past tense can be divided into two parts. First is regular verbs and second is irregular verbs. Today our topic is irregular verbs. So first we have to know what is the simple past tense. The actions that happen in the past are called the simple past tense. For example, we can say they flew kites and ate samosas. Look here, flew and ate. They are indicates the past tense. Look, in the example, we can't add d or ed to these words flew at, though we add d or ed to make past form. Students, here you can ask me, Miss, why we can't add d or ed to make it past form? Your question is correct. Now I am going to clear your concept. Look here, in your earlier class, we said that when we will add d or ed, it will be past tense. But keep in mind that when we will add d or ed at the end of the word to make it past tense, it will be regular verbs. And to make it irregular verbs, we can't add d or ed. Here we are saying we can't add d or ed to these words flew at. So we have to change the letter. Flew is the past form of fly and at is the past form of it. So here we changed some letters. Students, here are some action words and their past tense forms. Give, gave, stand, stood, go, went, feed, fed, fly, flew, say, said, teach, taught, write, wrote, buy, bought. Look here, these are past tense and these are called irregular verbs. Give, we changed it, G-A-V-E, give. Here I and we write here A. So a letter changed here. Like this we write A-N and here double O. S-T-A-N-D, the spelling was stand and here stood. Like this, look here, go changed to went. Here this is completely changed word. In this we changed letter, but here this is completely a changed word. Go, went. The past form of go is went. And here feed, fed. We decrease one E and write F-E-D, fed, to make it past form. Like this we changed here, sometimes we change a letter or two letter and sometimes we add more letter. Look here, buy, bought. We add some more letters and sometimes we change the word totally, go, went. Like this you have to make past tense, and students, you have to keep memorize this because you can't add d or ed at the end of these words. Students, you know, practice makes a man perfect. When you read this words again and again, you can understand it. Students, I have given here some words. These are not enough for you. If you want to enrich your word stock, then you have to learn more words and you have to know the past form of those words. So, keep practice at home with the help of your parents and learn more and more words and their past forms. Now, students will practice some exercise. Let's do. Complete these sentences with the past tense forms of the action words in the brackets. Number A. Preeti dashed for a long time at the gate. Our given word is stand. Students, you have to write the past form of the word in the gap. So, look here. The past form of the word stand is stood. Spell with me, S-T-O-O-D, stood. So, in the gap, you have to write stood, S-T-O-O-D, stood. The sentence will be, Preeti stood for a long time at the gate. Number B, mother dashed the birds in the garden last Sunday. In the bracket, the given word is feed. Look here. The past form of feed is fed. F-E-D, fed. Say with me, F-E-D, fed. So, in the gap, we have to write F-E-D, fed. Then the sentence will be, mother fed the birds in the garden last Sunday. Come to number C. I dashed a balloon from the balloon seller today. In gap, buy. So, you have to write the past form of the word buy. See here, the past form of the word buy is bought. Spell the word B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. So, we have to write here bought. B-O-U-G-H-T, bought. I bought a balloon from the balloon seller today. Number D. Father dashed me a storybook for my birthday. In the bracket, we find give. Students, the past form of the word give is gave. Say with me, the past form of the word give is gave. Spell with me, G-A-V-E, gave. So, here I am writing give, G-A-V-E, give. Now, our sentence is, Father gave me a storybook for my birthday. Number E, Sushan dashed to school by bus. In bracket, go. So, the past form of the word go is went. Read in our rule, go, went. Say with me, W-E-N-T, went. The past form of the word go is went. W-E-N-T, went. Sushan went to school by bus. Number F, our teacher dashed us how to draw an elephant. In bracket, teach. The past form of the word teach is, look here, taught. Teach, taught. The spelling is T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. So, here we have to write taught. T-A-U-G-H-T, taught. Our teacher taught us how to draw an elephant. Number G, Arjun dashed a letter to his grandfather yesterday. In bracket, write. So, the past form of the word write is wrote. Look the spelling, W-R-O-T-E, wrote. So, here I am writing W-R-O-T-E, R-O-T-E. Wrote. Arjun wrote a letter to his grandfather yesterday. Number 8. Navin dashed that he was not feeling well. In bracket, say. So, the past form of the word say is, look here, said. S-A-I-D, said. Say with me, S-A-I-D, said. So, in the gap, we have to write said. S-A-I-D, said. So, the sentence will be, Navin said that he was not feeling well. Students, I am giving your homework. Your homework will be exercise. Your homework will be exercise A to H. Students, I am repeating again, your homework will be exercise A to H. And don't forget to write the lecture number and homework number at the top of the corner of your copy. Students, I hope you have understood today's topic. Keep practicing at home and abide by your parents. And be serious about your homework. You have to submit your homework on every Sunday. Guardians or anyone else can submit your SW copies and can collect your previous copies on next Sunday. You will get your CT, diary and SPA marks on the basis of the submission of your homeworks. That's all for today. Stay well. Till then, Assalamu alaikum.